In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Delegate's access level in GoDaddy. If you share your GoDaddy account with a collaborator, developer, or support person, Delegate Access lets them work on your products without needing your sign-in. Adjusting that access level is a quick way to give them the right permissions or dial things back without removing them entirely. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so you can do this confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type GoDaddy, then click the official GoDaddy website in the results. Once you're on the site, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account that owns the products you want managed. If you have multiple profiles, check that you see your expected domains or services after signing in. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your username. This opens a quick menu where you can manage your profile and settings. From that menu, select Account Settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps controls for security, preferences, and access. In the Account Settings area, find and click Delegate Access. You'll land on a page that shows who can access your account and what they're allowed to do. On the Delegate Access page, locate the person whose permissions you want to change. Next to their name, click Edit. You'll see options to adjust their access level. The choices typically range from limited permissions, where a delegate can view or manage certain products, to broader permissions that allow more control. Think carefully about what work this person needs to do. If they only need to manage domains, choose the option that limits access to domains. If they need to help across products, choose a level that covers those items. As a best practice, grant the minimum access necessary to get the job done. This helps protect your account while still letting your delegate work efficiently. Once you've selected the appropriate access level, click Save. Your changes apply right away. The delegate may need to refresh their browser or sign out and back in to see the updated permissions. Before you move on, double-check you edited the correct person and the intended level, especially if you have several delegates. If something doesn't look right later, you can return to the same delegate access page and adjust it again using these exact steps. That's all it takes to fine-tune who can do what in your GoDaddy account, keeping your workflow smooth and your account secure.